Now, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem to find a missing side of a right triangle. Okay, let's go over some examples. These are examples from previous stars. So we're gonna let's read the problem. The diagram below shows the side view of a ramp used to help load and unload a moving van. Okay, so this is the ramp, and we create a right triangle. First thing we should do is label our triangle. So we say the longest side, or in other words, opposite from the right angle. Opposite from the right angle, and the longest side will be always my letter C. The other two can be A or B. It doesn't matter the order, but the one that must be C is the longest side and opposite to the right angle. Now, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of this side. So we say A is going to be 3 and B is going to be 9. So we replace the A with the 3 and the B with the 9, and the C we're going to just replace it with an X because we don't know the value yet. So 3 squared will be 9, 9 squared will be 81, and X squared will leave it as X squared. 9 plus 81 will be 90 equals X squared. But this is the area. This is the area. I just want to find the length. So what is the opposite operation to the square? Will be a square root. So to find the value of X, or the length of this ramp, will be square root of 90. What is the square root of 90? Will be 9.49. It will be equal to the X, or in this case C, which is the ramp. So let's go over the question. Which measurement is closest to the length to the ramp in feet? So the closest one will be letter H, 9.5 feet. Okay. Now let's see another example. We got this example. It's a right triangle, and two sides of the length are shown in the diagram. Okay. Now, which measurement is closest to the value of X in centimeters? As we said before, first thing we should do is label our triangle. So opposite from the right angle on the longest side, opposite from the right angle on the longest side will be my letter C. The other two can be A and B. Now, let's replace the equation. A will be 12. B, we're going to uh, replace it with X because we don't know the value of B. And C will be 39. Now, well, what is 12 squared? 144 plus X squared equals 39 squared will be 1521. Now, this is an equation. We need to solve for X. What is the opposite of 144? Minus 144, but if we do it on the left side, we do it on the right side. So X squared equals 1377. Now, again, this is the area. We want to find the length. So the opposite of a square will be a square root. So a square root of 1377 will be 37.1. So X equals 37.1, or the length of C will be 37.1. So the answer on this question will be letter A. So that's how you find the missing side. First label your triangle, then substitute on the equation and find or solve for the unknown variable. Okay, that's how you're gonna find the missing side of the triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay.